What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another motherfucking video, you know what I'm saying? Today, I ain't gonna lie, we gonna have a little cool video. First day of snow, man. Let me show y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna get out the car, but oh my gosh, man. This shit ass, man. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We finna do a little POV drive. Nothing too crazy. Gonna be a little short because I'm about to put that 360 camera on the back, and you know what I'm saying? It's really nasty out here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do my best, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all boys, we outside, you know what I'm saying? I had to switch my area because it's mad niggas around this bitch.
But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We got the SRTG right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna, it's mad nasty out here, but you know what I'm saying? I should throw a snowball at y'all, but anyway, let's get a warm start already started. I gotta start getting cold starts, I'm sorry, y'all. My feet vibrating. What the hell? Alright, y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, my hands ashy again, golly. But this is what it look like, snowy weather and shit, you know what I'm saying? I hope the camera don't get too wet, you know what I'm saying? But let's get straight into it. This bitch blinking because I auto did it, you know what I'm saying? Tired shit ski. Ooh. You know what to do today, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to try my own. Shit. I ain't gonna go too crazy because it is, you know, it is snowing out here. I fuck with the scenery though, y'all. This is woodwork, so if you know anything about woodwork, if you from Michigan and you know anything about woodwork, you know, the cops. Whoa. We finna go to the hills. Well, not the hill. Well, yeah, kind of the hills. But I ain't gonna lie. I really hope. Can y'all see me? Damn, fuck. I really hope my camera is good, bro. Like, I know the camera gonna be good, but I hope like the fucking stick stay on, bro. Please, man. Please, man. It's snowy as fuck out here, man. Please, man. Please, man. Look how fucking ass it is over here. I think we'll be all right though. We should be. Ooh, we cutting up in the snow. We got track mode on, no traction either. What the fuck? The roads are pretty clear though. It's just the water and shit. They be active. I know that 360 camera getting all that white stuff, bud. That camera getting all that sticky stuff, bud. Stop playing with them. This is a nice Porsche. Rich ass nigga, bro. Can I have a Porsche? They probably like, damn, this nigga doing this shit in the snow too? Golly. That nigga just shitty nigga. Oh, I thought that was a porta potty. Nigga on a tractor with a what's the name on it? Ooh, that's a G-Wagon. big eye nigga. They got big ass eyes on that bitch. What the fuck?
The window down a little bit for y'all so y'all can hear more. Get some revs.
That gear went hard as hell. It smell like shit outside. It smell like boo boo. Oh my gosh. Damn, the lake not frozen? Hold on. Racing in the snow, we racing in the snow. Ooh! Look at the lake. That bitch is frozen a little bit. It's still ducks out there though and shit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Look, bro, it's wet. It's wet on the back. Oh, it's still sticking on though. It's still going crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit, y'all. Turn right here. Alright, hold on. We go slow. I ain't got no traction right now. Hold on. Hold on now. Ooh. That's what it sounds like. Alright, y'all. Not spinning no corners. Fuck no, not this video. Woo! That bitch on it today. Look at this fucking truck trying to catch me. Hey, it's water on the camera. Oh fuck. I mean, you can still see those, so that's, damn, it's bad, but it's just so fucking wet out here. Why the fuck would you just ask? Why is it so wet out here? Why would you? Why would? Look where we at, man. Look where we at, man. And you going? Why is this so wet out here? What? This bitch going stupid on him. They going stupid on him though. But I ain't gonna lie, it's holding up good. I ain't gonna lie, that mount going stupid. God, Lord forbid, but like the mount, that mount in the back, it's going stupid right now. It's holding, it's holding on like, you know what I'm saying? That ain't gonna do me. The camera kind of look good wet to me. I ain't gonna let me rinse my fucking windshield off though. Bitch doodling on herself in the snow. It's doodle in the snow, y'all. Oh my gosh, bro. Not again, bro. We need gas again, bro. Fuck. Fuck it, though. Famous time. let y'all know, we are not going on the freeway today. No, no the fuck we not. Oh shit. No, we're not going on the freeway today, man. I just don't really want to risk it right now for the biscuit. So the freeway probably pretty dry, but we're still not doing it today. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do know I gotta drop this video by 5 o'clock today, so stay tuned. This obviously this is after the fact, but stay tuned, man. We going stupid. We going stupid, man. Dropping the video at 5 o'clock p.m. Alright, Chad, we finna get a thumbnail over here, you know what I'm saying? Let's cross the road real quick. Any cars coming on? Finna get a thumbnail right here, you know, good? Turn around. Turn around, man. Shit. Let me see how fucked up my back camera is. Damn. Can't see it. That bitch blurry as fuck. Alright, y'all, let's see how bad this motherfucking 360 camera got smacked up and shit. Let me see. I ain't that bad. It's a little dirty. Ugh. My bad, y'all. I put doodle on y'all. No, it's not bad though. But anyway, I'm about to get a thumbnail right here. Hold on, let me see. What's the best angle, y'all? With the little lights here and shit. Damn, hold on. It is perfect right here, ain't it? Alright, y'all boys. We just got the thumbnail, so we finna get back. We finna get back in the car. I can't fucking talk. And damn, these lights look hard behind me though. You know what I'm saying? But it's cold as fuck out here. We finna get back in the car and go to the gas station and end the video. So stay tuned. I might give like a pull through the tunnel real quick and go from there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we dropping this video at 5 o'clock. So be there, be square. Alright, chat. Last pull of the motherfucking day in the tunnel. That sound good as fuck, boy. Alright, YouTube, man, I ain't gonna lie, that's the end of the video. I ain't gonna lie. It's mad snowy right here. I ain't gonna lie, what the fuck going on? But we at the back of the gas station. I ain't gonna lie, I just want the scenery right here, but you know what I'm saying? What the fuck am I stepping on? Yeah. I love all y'all boys, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We got another video dropping tomorrow. We doing this every single day. We ain't a big, I'm in your ad right now. I'm in your ad right now. We got the motherfucking snowy ass road and shit, but we got the SRT Jeep right here with the motherfucking camera on the back. You going stupid. Let me get y'all 360 of that bit without busting my ass on this, Lord forbid. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. What the fuck? God, I can't even walk back. God damn, my bad, y'all. But yeah. My gosh, but yes, without further ado, that is the end of today's video. Let me get back in the car. It's cold as hell. Golly. Got it. Tap your feet. My fault, y'all. But anyway, that's the end of the video. I'm finna go get some gas because I never have fucking gas. And until tomorrow, I love y'all boys. Subscribe. We so close to 3K. I'm gonna keep saying that every video till we hit it. I'm out of breath. I love y'all boys. Let's get it. We out there, baby. Let it grow.